Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore a simple but useful feature in the Aloha Browser app that allows you to manage your newsfeed if you want to control what appears when you open the browser. First, open the Aloha Browser app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the Settings icon. After that, tap on Appearance to open its options. After that, choose the option named Start Page to access more layout controls. Next, scroll down carefully until you see Show Newsfeed. Finally, you can toggle this option to either turn the newsfeed on or off according to your preference. Remember, turning off the newsfeed will give you a cleaner start page, while turning it on keeps you updated with the latest news directly on your browser. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.